5 checkmates to consider before starting that YouTube channel in 2025. Do you want to own a YouTube channel in 2025? These are the 5 things you must do. Number 1, you have to define the niche you want to go into. Before I started this YouTube channel, I love watching lifestyle vlogs. I love travel vlogs, relocation. It gets me excited. After close of work, when I'm tired, when I'm bored, I just go on my YouTube and I watch them and I feel happy watching it. So I considered it that, oh, this is something I can do. So some people that might want to go into entertainment, educating you on YouTube, like different things. You can decide to go into cooking, makeup, fitness, health, anything that rocks your boat. Just have passion for that. Number 2, what will I say? You should try to invest in quality equipment. You can't just start a YouTube channel in 2025 without getting the basic equipment. Number 1, you can start by using your phone. It's all good. I'm using my phone to film presently. I'm using a 12 Pro Max, which is okay. But when you're using your phone, you should consider checking the settings to make sure everything is intact. You can decide to use your phone. If you want, you can get a camera, which is fine. You can get just few lightings. I'm using just a ring light and normal light. You can use natural sunlight. As a new YouTuber in 2025, you should learn to make use of natural sunlight to save cost. Also, what you should consider in starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is know that you have to be consistent. You should be consistent with your vlogs. You should be consistent. It's not easy starting a YouTube channel because we feel maybe it's overpopulated. Everybody's going into content creation, but that's not it. If you have passion for it, you should learn to be consistent. I will say you should also plan your vlogs. Yes, you should plan what you want to say. Maybe for the week, if you want to be doing weekly vlog, daily vlog, you should plan it out. That way it will be more organized. It will be more organized for you. What will I say I consider before checking my YouTube channel, before starting my YouTube channel in 2025? You should also make use of your YouTube studios, guys. I didn't know it was a thing until I started, or I wanted to start a YouTube channel. You should always make use of your YouTube studio, the dashboard. Yeah, you can get the app, it's fine, because that's when you go to your settings to know the rules and regulations binding YouTube, so that you'll not be flagged for copyright. So these are the things I will tell you to consider if you want to start a YouTube channel this year, 2025. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. I love you guys. Bye. Stay fabulous in and out.